Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share screen on Discord. So for you to be able to share screen on Discord, here is how you can get it done. First, you have to make sure you're connected to a server. I can see you click on the server you want to join you want to share the screen or you want to share your screen with, or if you don't have any server, you just quickly have the server right here. And you create a server, or if you have a particular server you wish to join, just look for their link, then enjoy through their link. But currently I actually have one server right here. Then once you join the server, then scroll down, then you click on general. Okay, then once you click on this option, which is share your screen. Once you click on it, then right here you have three options. You can share your screen with, if you want to share your screen within the tab, within the Microsoft Edge tab, then just click on this. Then you can select in between the tab. You can see right here I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 5 tabs open on my Microsoft Edge tab right now. Then I can just simply press one of it, then I'll click on share. Then if I want to share the window, just click on the window. Then right here I can have the numbers of software or apps that is running. If there's a particular apps I want to share or software that I want to share with the people using the share screen, I can just pick from here, from this option, then I'll share. Then which is the entire screen. Right here you can see the entire screen, and this is everything. You can see everything, the whole entire screen right here. I'll just click on this particular one, then I'm gonna share. So right now I'm going to click on this particular one, then make sure the share system with audio also share system audio. This will allow you whatever you are saying, whatever background voice you are saying, like maybe you want to share your screen with your audio. So this means your microphone has to be very active. Just turn on this option, and if you don't want to just to share only the screen, you can leave it off. After that, then you click on share, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.